they flip. They did all their flips. You see now. You see the round things.
Yeah, I see round
Yeah,
things, but
they flipped.
oh, I
You know,
see.
each
Oh
one
my
flipped
gosh.
around and then they went on.
Oh,
Yeah,
but
see, they do all the acrobatics. over there.
yeah, it's hard to see from here.
Well, you kind of saw them flip.
I didn't see. I
a
missed
little bit.
that
Yeah, you have to
moment.
look real fast. Yeah, you know, well, you just see that they flipped.
Yeah, we see just remnants
Yeah.
of the smoke now.
See, that's where they do their thing,
I
and,
see.
and then they fly around. They come from these directions, and yeah, that's where the grandstands are.
So you gotta pay for that.
Well, you can stand behind, you know, and see it. Like on the Marina Green behind the grandstand,
I
you
see.
can see it. And Pier 39, that's where you see it about too. I try to talk Robbie into going, you know, to the Marina Green. And
Yeah. He said next time he will go to that pier over there.
Well, or to the Marina Green, you know. And you can, it's fenced in the grandstands, but then you can stand behind. Yeah, see now there too. Yeah, see now they show it.
Oh wow, look at that. Unbelievable. How many over there? 4, is it? Oh my
Now it's
gosh.
2 and 4.
I see.
They do the free fall now.
All of them together? Oh my god, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Yeah, see how he turns around? Back
Yeah,
there.
here he comes.
They didn't 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Yeah, there's 6 altogether. So somebody's coming along. They're falling straight down. Yeah, that's a downfall.
Unbelievable. Beautiful.
Can you imagine they're all 22, 23-year-old guys?
I know.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
young guys.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can meet them afterwards. This time they're in San Francisco. They used to be in Oakland. And then they fly up upside down. I think, is he flying upside down now? Or for a whole long time they fly upside down, you know? See if you see it from there.
Okay.